How to use Falou application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Falou application. Falou is a language learning app designed to help users quickly acquire new languages through engaging practical lessons. In order to use Falou application, first of all you will need to download it from your Google Play Store or the App Store if you are using iOS device. Go ahead and open your Google Play Store and tap on the search icon at the bottom right and then search for Falou. Once you search for it, you will get the search results here. You will need to find the authentic Falou application. Here this one is the authentic Falou application. Once you find it, you will need to tap on the app icon, and inside it, if you have not downloaded it, you will be able to see the install button. Now you will need to go ahead and tap on the install button in order to install it on your device. Once you have installed it in your device, now you will need to open the application. Once you open the application, you will need to watch the introductory video, and then you will need to choose your language to learn, and also note that the selection cannot be changed later. After that, you will need to register your Google account or Apple account to create an account on Falou. Once after that, you will see three main tabs at the bottom: Course, Words and Progress. In the first tab, Course, you can access various lessons based on your chosen language. And in the second one that says Words, here you will be able to review vocabulary you have learned, especially words that you find challenging. And in the third tab, Progress, here you will be able to track your learning milestones and areas for improvement. Each lesson begins with a scenario description to simulate real conversations. This app allows you to record yourself and compare your pronunciation to native speakers. To get started, you will need to come to this words section and then tap on the basic one or whatever you are having. At the top left, you will be able to see the timer, and the top right, you will be able to see the cross button. Here you will need to choose the correct name, and by doing so, you will be able to use Falou application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.